Okay. Time to change the batteries. First alert. Yeah. Gotta do it. Let's do it once a year. This opens here on the side. Just push it in and it pops out. Battery comes out. Fat end on the outside. Okay, you can put it in. Put it in like that. Close it up. Done. Push it in. Take it out. Got it. Easy. You look for little tabs. Look kind of like here, kind of V in. Like that. Little. Come on, guy. Little tab. There. There's one there. Come on, give it a little. There, gotcha. Little tab there. Let's do the third tab. There it is. Next to the door. It's important to get the dust out of these things. No water-based cleaners. Just it's a compressed air or blow on it. This is your reset button. Little blue dot. Push the button for 30 seconds. I'm cheating, push the blue dot. It resets everything and gets the extra charge out. Nothing like pulling the plug on this. See, it's got a plug. You pull it out. That was a pain in the butt. Okay, 30 seconds. Has it been 30 seconds? It resets and discharges the extra charge. Nothing like pulling the battery out, throwing it off to the side at 3 in the morning, and it still beeps. Okay, reset. Good. You got these little prongs here. Prong, prong. That's what actually touches your battery. Okay, so it doesn't have that little plug-in thing that goes snaps. It just touches these metal prongs. You want to make sure they're out. Okay, because that's going to swing in and touch. And just all it has to do is touch it. There's no plug-in like that. But you want the fat end. It'll go in here at this fatter hole right here, just a little fatter hole. That's the old battery, get rid of it. New battery, very good. No dust. Get it out of here. We're good. Okay, fat end. Boom, boom. Get in there. Get in there. Oh, crap. Oh, crappy thing. There you go. Put the back in first. Close that up. Okay. You see your push buttons there, the blue buttons there. As you line up your little clamps, you can see the groove of the clamps there. Push button bump there to the blue button.